Shalom. What it is, people? As you can see, I'm currently in the hotel. My trip to Jamaica, it's done for now. Am I moving to Jamaica? I'm gonna say yes. Excuse me. I'm moving to Jamaica. When? Stay tuned. But as you can see from most of the last video, if you didn't watch the last video, go back and watch that video. My trip was mainly about renovating my cousin's new home. So we didn't do a lot of recording. I did get a few parts of the recording where I could, but the trip was a good trip. It definitely was a successful trip. As you can see from the last video, if you didn't watch the last video, go watch it. Door off. Pencil? Yeah. We don't got no pencil. This is where we at. Progress, y'all. Progress. It was a mess. It was a mess. We could have made one of those channels, if you ask me. We definitely did an upgrade. We changed out the windows. We changed the door. Okay, we got the grit. Lashane, they call him Weed. Hey, why they call you Weed?
Because I smoke a lot.
You smoke a lot?
Yeah.
You know, I lie. That's not why they call you Weed. Tell the story why they call you Weed.
I'm a thief. The weed bring it to school.
When you was a kid?
Yeah, you know, we have put on a door. Button press, you know?
Huh? Smart door.
Yeah, so you know.
All right, sir. You ready to be famous?
Yeah.
Talk to the people.
Yeah.
All right, sir.
Yeah.
Good, right?
Yeah.
All right, people, we're still working. This what day is today? 3?
Day 3, yeah.
Day 3. We cleaned that out. You remember?
Well, this is day 2, cause the first day of my phone.
We got the great Chicky, my beautiful little cousin. We got Wolverine over there. We still working. We put a smart door on it. The individual who had this house before, it was different. The door that they had on there was it had one of those old school keys. You know, the one with the key and the two just hanging down? That's the type of lock that it had, which is crazy. I was like, I didn't even know they made those type of doors, and the house is fairly new. When I say fairly new, you know, in the islands, what we do, we build on our house. We live there, we build on it. He's been building that house probably since like 2012. So there's no reason for him to have that type of lock on there, but he also was a handy person. That was his type of work. He did woodwork. So all the way in Jamaica, Hanover, Jamaica, that we meet Auntie Shirley. Auntie Shirley said, "Hey, I didn't even know she knew me." She said, "Hey, I see you."
Hi.
She's a subscriber.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Auntie Shirley. That's a normal thing, guys. We have dogs everywhere in Jamaica. These dogs, I don't know what they do. They try security. Yeah, we active in our street.
I already press gas.
Yeah,
press gas.
tick. I know. We need to see that jerk pork after this. What is red pea soup? What kind of soup?
Chicken foot and
Chicken foot. What's in this?
porridge.
Porridge. What kind of porridge? What's some porridge? What porridge? We got jerk pork over there. No matter what time, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, guys. And we got jerk pork. By the way, it's a beautiful house. It's one of the houses where we used to live. This is where I grew up. Somewhat.
Guess I start.
Jerk pork.
Wait.
All right. Look at that, guys. That look. I don't eat pork, but that look good. He probably took that lock off an old door. You know, that's how older folks do it. And yeah, the door, I'm sure he made the door himself. He does that type of work. That was one of his specialty / farmer also. So we definitely, the house is livable now. It's not where it's supposed to be, where we want it to be, but The house is definitely upgraded. We changed to windows. We painted also just to give it a better look, an upgrade. We didn't do much. We didn't do much because this is just one of the first trip. We will be back again, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, the trip was just mainly about fixing up. I didn't get to record much. I wish I recorded much, but I did get to spend time with my nieces, sisters, and nephews, family. We had like the last day, we had cooked some food. We had, you know, of course, we had the chef on board, so we cooked some food, got family over. We ate. We blessed the house pretty much. You know, we just hang out, and it felt good. It felt homey. That's what really made it homey.
No, that can't move. I'm not figure I said, no, it's too hot.
So we didn't do much. We didn't do much. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We didn't do much. Actually, in the video, you see it. If I ain't showed it already, I probably showed it already. We're cooking. That was the first day we was cooking. We bought food every day. My cousin usually cooked for us. She didn't cook for us this time. It's all good though, but she was working. She was on the block. She was hustling. Not that type of block. When I say that, I'm just saying she was in hustle mode. But I must say it was a successful trip. It was a successful trip for sure. We never checked out, our first day we checked out the JC Villas. I definitely like JC Villas. I definitely will be visiting them again. Those, cause we visited them before. They have one more campus that we haven't been to yet in Kingston, so we're gonna be visiting that. So shout out to JC Villas. JC Villas, that was our tour guide. They brought us, they drove us around, stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, man, it was a good trip. Like I said, I didn't document much. So you'll see in between the video, you'll see me driving. See me driving through Montego Bay, headed to the airport, stuff like that. Oh man, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Now, I saw in the airport in Montego Bay, I just thought this was crazy. I thought this was crazy. It was cigarettes for sale, right? But on the cigarette, there's signs telling you what cigarettes will do to you. Cigarettes will kill you. Cigarettes cause cancer. Cigarettes did that. I said, yo, this is crazy. And the crazy part about that, people are still gonna buy it because they're addicted. That's for you. Stop smoking cigarettes. Hey guys, we're in the airport, right? These are the cigarettes. Smokers are highly addictive. Don't start. Smoking seriously harms you and others around you. Look at this one. These are cigarettes they're selling. This is how they advertise it. That's crazy. Smoking kills. I guess it must be like a law or something. They have to say that or something. Smoking kills. I'm not judging you, but the people that make it are letting you know. I don't know if that's a rule for the government. They have to state that. I don't know. But either way, man, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Keep watching. If you didn't watch, go watch that last video. That last video give you a little bit more insight. I'm going to give you a little bit more. You see a little insight in between these videos, but of what we were doing. But we didn't do much recording. We was really working. We really worked. I'm low key mad because I really came thinking, yeah, we're gonna work by 2-3 days. Then the last 2 days we're gonna vibe out. No, we worked up to the last day. The last day we said, nah, I gotta have some family over. That's how it went, but it's all good. No, we did what we said we were gonna do. Shout out to Cuz. Congratulations on the new crib. You know, he got a lot of land space and he already have food and stuff in the backyard. So yeah, man. Now stay tuned. Look out for the next video where we're gonna be upgrading, because we definitely gonna be adding on to it. you know, stuff like that. Oh yeah, let me continue. I'm not about to end this video. We also bought a tank. If you know about the islands, especially in the country, you use the tank to catch your water. We did that. We did a few things. But either way, man, thank you guys for watching, man. Go watch all my other videos. Watch the Airbnb video. Nice Airbnb. Shout out to JC Villas. What's the video before this? You know, I'm moving back to Jamaica. Just saying. But thanks again for watching, guys. Your boy Orlando. Boom.